So I have two sets of concealers on right now, and I tried them both. Keep watching to find out which one is which. One's $20 and one's $80. Okay, so we're gonna start with the KKW. It's called Conceal, Bake, and Brighten. We're gonna start with number 4 for Conceal, for the concealer. I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna use the flat end of Conceal brush number 1, and we're just gonna blend it out. It definitely conceals. Okay, that's nothing. I haven't got anything on my face. I've just used number 4, KKW Conceal, and I've used the flat end of the brush, okay? So now we're going to bake. And we're gonna use number, I'm gonna show you guys exactly. I'm gonna use number 3, bake. I'm going to use the sponge part of the concealer number 2 brush, so you can see it's a nice sponge. I love the color palette, I'm not gonna lie. So then I'm gonna just press, just to really bake it. Wow, that works. That works, Mama, Kim, that works. Mario, I love you right now. Okay, so a little goes a long way. Then I'm gonna use the Brighten, which I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and it's number 3, Brighten, concealer brush number 2. I'm gonna use the fluffy side, the fluffy brush side, and Brighten. Wow, that's beautiful. That is pretty. Can you guys see that? So on this side I used the concealer, and then I baked it, and then I brightened it. Bye-bye under eyes. So that's her whole thing. She sends you a little cheat sheet, which I love. I think it's super cool, and it shows you exactly conceal, bake, and brighten. And she shows you step 1, step 2, step 3. Really simple, love this. Okay, now we're going to the dupe side. We're going to the drugstore side, under $20. All right, are you guys ready? All right, let's do this. Okay, we're gonna start with NYX Conceal. It's number CW03.5. Use the same amounts just so we can see. Okay. I'm going to use flat brush. This is MAC 242, but any flat brush will work. So next we're going to bake. We're using Cover FX. And the color is Translucent Light, Cover FX. And then I'm gonna use the beauty sponge, and it's a little moist, it's a little wet. I'm gonna bake with it. So baking really sets your makeup, and it lasts all day. So it's really important, so once you conceal, that you bake it, that you set it. Just think bake, set, bake. It's not the most natural look, but it will keep your makeup on all day. Okay, so for the final step, we're gonna brighten. We're gonna use e.l.f. and it's Prime Stay Finishing Powder. It's 1 color. And I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, tap both sides. This side is the $20 drugstore. On this side is the $80 KKW Conceal, Bake, and Brighten. KKW Dupe, what are we thinking? I'm thinking that definitely KKW does give you a lot more coverage. It's a little bit brighter, but I have to say coming in at a close second is this. I mean, it's kind of remarkable, and I did the same thing with the same, pretty much the same brushes and sponges, and I have to say, like, I'm really impressed. I would have thought that the drugstore would be a huge difference than the KKW, but I have to say, definitely comes in close second. There's a lot of coverage. I do love that she really kind of made the tips really easy when she says conceal, bake, and brighten. I think those are 3 things and 3 tips that Mario really kind of set in stone. And I have to say, for me now, it's like, okay, I'm gonna think about concealing, covering it up, baking, setting it, and brightening it, which is really what it does. It makes it, you know, got some happy eyes going on. So what side did you guys think? Did you think the $20 or the $80? Tell the truth. So tell me what you thought about this challenge. We'd like to see more of these things. I'm all about now the conceal, bake, and brighten. If you have any great products or any tips, let us know. Comment below, give us a thumbs up. This was fun. I love doing these little challenges because I do think you can do so much with sometimes so little, and you don't have to spend a lot to make it look great. Next week we have Mariana Hewitt. She's awesome. She's giving us some great tips on Instagram, some filters, how to take a photo, how to make your, you know, your whole story look coherent and cohesive and really, really beautiful. She really, honestly, she freaking rocked it. Like, I was taking notes. You guys got to check it out.